back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out. First car pulling on the Speedway is out of Waynesboro, Virginia. That's going to be Wyatt Coffey in the 2 machine. Joining him out on the Speedway out of Danbury, North Carolina, that's going to be the 99 of Matthew Duggins. The 21D, that's going to be Natural Bridge Station, Virginia's. Actually, it's going to be Mount Hope, West Virginia's Mike Burton in that 21B machine. The Covington, Virginia driver, Bryce Smith in the 4 machine. Joining him out there in the 20 machine, that's going to be Mount Airy, North Carolina's Trey Stamper. It's going to be the number 15 of Daniel Durham out there in that red and white number 5. Green flag is out for hot lap session number 1 for the Elite Series. Oh, the 20 machine going to lose the handle down in 1 and 2. He's going to back it up next to the fence. He was the first casualty here as these guys, most of them never been here before. The 21B out there, Mr. Burton, runs with us every week with a 604, might have an advantage on these guys as he's the only one that knows this track like the back of his hand as he runs 2 seasons here. Green flag is back underway. Coffey to the top of the board with a 14.66. 14.62 that time around for Coffey. Working the middle line of the racetrack. Seems to have it figured out through 3 and 4. He's going to continue to work that middle line to low line down in 1 and 2. .6 that time around for the 2 machines. He's still at the top of the board. Duggins with a 14.70 in that second spot in that pretty 99 machine. 14.95 that time by. Still at the top of the board is going to be the number 2. Got the 20R of Lexington, Virginia's Ryan LaRue. The 65 machine, Fairfield, Virginia's John Jennings. The 10H of Brownsburg, Virginia, Stephen Harrison. 4 laps given to these guys for hot laps. Green flag out on the 16 of Dawson Lowe. All chasing down that number 2 machine. Legends cars, I need you in the chute for hot laps. Legends, you need to start making your way to the chute for hot laps. Park Center Sporting Goods, you guys, the 4 cylinders, I need you in the chute for your hot lap qualifying. You're up after the Legends. I need you on deck. Wyatt Coffey still at the top of the board. Track starting to slick off and work its way up the racetrack. These guys working a little bit higher line than the first couple groups. The 10 machine is Brownsburg, Virginia. Stephen Harrison finding his way into the outside wall and turn number 4, damage on the right front of the 10H machine. That crew's going to have some work to do to get back ready for qualifying here in a short turnaround. Whole right front looks to be broken on the 10H machine as he limps down the front straightaway. Tough break early and behind the 8 ball for Stephen Harrison.